Grace and peace, everyone. So, first of all, thank you for tuning into this video and my channel by AJTV. I am AJ, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe because we about to be besties, okay? Like, just go ahead and accept it. So I want to go ahead and get into this video. It kind of correlates with my previous video with my my very first vlog from Vegas, from the trade show, the magic show. And if you're an entrepreneur, boutique owner, you may know or should know about the magic trade show. And in my previous video, I just kind of did my first vlog, taking you guys with me on that journey. I'm still amazed at what I experienced, okay? It was amazing. However, I also took notes because, if you don't try to prepare yourself before going, you're gonna be so overwhelmed, and I don't want that to happen to you, okay? So, let's just get to the video. And I do have my handy dandy phone with my logo on the case. It's just something I did just to be doing it. Honestly, I want a better one, and I'll do that later. But anyway, so yes, I have my notes on my phone. So if you see me looking down, that's what I'm doing, okay? So the first thing that I tried to do upon the idea that I wanted to go to Magic, okay? So numero uno, okay? The first thing I did to kind of prepare myself was look up other vlogs of other people's experiences as they went. I wanted to see, how they felt afterwards, if they felt like it was worth it, if they, actually took something from it, if it was, beneficial to them, how they prepared as well. I took notes from that. And just, I literally made a playlist of all the videos that I could find of other people vlogging from Magic in the past, I think I did the most recent 2 or 3 years. And that was a big gist of what helped me prepare myself, honestly. Seeing how other people handled it and prepared themselves helped prepare me.
So I encourage you, okay?
Prepare yourself by going to watch other vlogs. Matter of fact, go watch my vlog. It's going to be linked up here somewhere, and prepare yourself, okay? The second thing I did was I signed up for everything related to the event way in advance. So the event was last week, February, and I think I signed up maybe back in August of last year because I missed the August one last year. I wasn't prepared to go at that time. So I signed up for the next one. Maybe it's September, I don't remember, but it was a while ago. So make sure you even booking your flights, booking your hotel, travel, car rental, anything like that. All the events that are correlated with the Magic Trade Show, make sure you do all of that in advance so that you're not worried about trying to do that on your way there. When you get there, you ain't gotta worry about all that. That's unnecessary stress. So we don't want that. So make sure you do all of that far in advance, let
me get this together. As in advance
as you can. I be talking so fast sometimes. But so that's another thing that I did. The third thing I did was I made up in my mind what type of products I was looking for when I went to this show. There are going to be tons of styles. I mainly went for clothing, so there are going to be tons of styles of clothing at this show, right? I don't want to see everybody. Speaking of vendors, I don't want to see everybody. That's gonna take forever. So what I did was I made up in my mind what type of style of clothing I wanted to check out. And as I went into the event and my mind was focused on that type of style, I went to those booths that look like, that's the type of style I need. Let me go in here. That's the type of style I need. Let me go in there. I wasn't just going to everybody just because they were there. Now you can do that if you want to, but to make sure to avoid the overwhelming feeling, I kind of narrow it down in my head to make sure I visited the booths that related to what I was going to buy for my boutique. That's what I was there for, you know? So that's the third thing that I did. Number 4, wear comfy shoes. It was girls in there, gorgeous girls in there with their gorgeous outfits and heels on. Like, this is like a school day or an 8-hour shift. I'm not wearing heels to be walking around all the time on this hard concrete for 8 hours. Excuse me, I can't. I think the first day I wore both days I wore sneakers. I did. And even those, there were some Nikes or Jordans rather. Even those weren't that comfortable to be standing on that hard concrete for 8 hours. Dang near. Like, kudos to those of you that can wear the heels like that. Now, don't get me wrong. I wear heels to church. I wear heels on date nights. I wear heels, business meetings, stuff like that. But to wear heels to literally walk around for hours, your girl can't do it. Especially now that this baby is on the way. The third and last child. Thank you, Lord. But anyway, kudos to y'all that can do it, but AJ can't, okay? But wear comfy shoes, please, because I don't want, I felt like if I didn't wear comfy shoes, because it wasn't my first thought to, dress super cute with the heels like the other gorgeous girls did. However, then I was like, but if my feet start hurting and I get tired, that's going to make me want to sit down other than, for lunch and regular breaks and stuff. And that's taking away time from my experience, This thing is only 3 days long, and you literally need all 3 days to go through that trade show. So wear comfy shoes, okay? And clothes. Just be comfortable. You can still be cute, but be comfortable, okay? So, number 5, please make sure you take business cards. Not only to network with other boutique owners, but also the vendors would like your contact information as well. Especially, let's say they have pieces that you want, but they're not in the position to have you buy right then and there, right? So they're gonna want you can take their business card as well, but some people asked for my business card, and I was so glad I brought them because a lot of people asked. I was like, I sure do have 100, and you can have 2 if you like, So make sure you take business cards. And that brings me to my next step, actually, is to have physical business cards and make a digital. I'll insert a screenshot or a screen record, whatever, here, showing you guys my digital business card. And I'm going to tell you a trick with that too. So making this digital business card, basically what I did was, being in this big, huge space, Sorry guys, my son is trying to talk to me. I'm doing a video, son. Go upstairs. Thank you. So with this digital business card, I I had it on my phone, right? You're in this humongous place with all these people that mostly you would hope or think they would have iPhones, right? So what I did was, y'all know this thing called AirDrop? I just to test it out, I AirDropped my digital business cards to literally every device or phone that popped up. It doesn't matter, honestly, if they accept it or reject it or not. Just send it, because guess what? People accepted my digital business card, and I was amazed. And to be honest, I think I had maybe 6 or 7. I mean, that's not a lot compared to how many people were at the event, but it's a lot to me because those people didn't have to accept it, you know what I mean? Let alone submit like their email to my website. You know what I'm saying? Like, those are 6 or 7 new people, new customers that I probably never would have had if I wouldn't have just tried this little simple technique out. You know what I mean? So yeah, when you're at any event that you're going to and you're networking, get that digital business card on your phone. AirDrop it to every device, every phone that pops up in that AirDrop list. It doesn't matter if they accept it or reject it. Just do it and see what happens. That's it. Okay? So that was that. And then the 7th tip is you don't have to purchase merchandise while you're at the trade show. Don't let the vendors bully you, okay? And I actually got that from most other YouTubers that or boutique owners that put their blog up, saying the same thing. Don't let the vendors bully you. And I definitely experienced that. Not that they were mean or anything like that, but I mean, kind of forcing you. Like, if I said I like this piece, they'll kind of try to force you into buying it now. If you're prepared to do that, by all means, go and do that. However, you don't have to do that. What I did was I gathered all the information, took pictures of the merchandise. I gathered, catalogs and business cards from the vendors that I was interested in, brought all of it home. That little stack right here, that's all of that. And I've been going through that since I got back. Because what you don't want to do is just purchase inventory impulsively, and then what if you don't sell it? Excuse me. So you don't have to purchase merchandise there unless you're prepared to. If you're prepared to, by all means, honey, go ahead. But me, it was my first time. I want to gather all the information and stuff that I can, so I can bring it home, finish my research, then buy what I need to for my boutique. So that's that. And then lastly, y'all, have fun. Just have fun. You're in Vegas, for one. I don't know what it is about Vegas, but I'm so happy there. I don't know if it's like the weather or just being away from your hometown for a brief moment, or I don't know what it is, but have fun. That's why I call this trip my workcation, because yes, I'm here for work and business, but I'm also taking a vacation, and I enjoyed my time there. I spent a whole week in Vegas, y'all, and we had a good time. We did. So just have fun, network with other people that you come in contact with, experience new things, be safe, of course, but yeah, just have fun. That's it. So those are all my tips that I wrote down for you guys. I lost my train of thought real quick. That was weird. But yeah, those are all the tips that I wrote down for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed them. I hope that you take something from it. Matter of fact, comment below 2 things. Comment below if you can add to that list. If you've gone to Magic before, been to Magic before, comment below what you can add to that list. And also, if you're planning to go to Magic, comment any questions that you may have about the experience, honestly, that you can't find in any other videos. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you, just based off my first experience, you know. And also, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thumbs up this video, like it for me, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because we're besties now, so we gotta keep in contact. You wanna know when I post new videos, okay? So, that's it. See you guys later. Deuce.